Hello boys, welcome back to another session of video tutorials, and this session is meant for class 11th biology students, and this is for 26th February 2021. As we all know that we are revising the entire syllabus of class 11th biology in the form of sample papers, and you may recollect that we have done at least 2 rounds of revision. One is in the form of assertion reasoning and another is in the form of sample papers. Already we have answered 4 sample papers, and today we are going for the 5th one. And this sample paper of CBSE is especially for 2020 and 21 batch. That's for your batch. And I repeatedly say that section A has got lot of importance. Not only it is having maximum marks out of all the sections, that is 22 marks it has got, and it is easily scorable provided you have a lot of practice. And this has got a new topology of questions, new set of questions, that is assertion and reasoning. A and R questions are there, plus case study questions are there. So these are the new type of questions, assertion and reasoning and case study questions. So without wasting much time, we go straight to the section A questions. 1. A ball of snow when rolled over snow increases in mass, volume and size. Is this comparable to growth as seen in living organisms, and why? Question 2. What is the function of cuboidal epithelium? Question 3. In the ocean life, which plant is the major producer? Now you must remember the question is ocean life and major producer. Question 4. Which filaments are responsible for muscle contraction? Question 5. What is the difference between valvate and twisted estivation? Next, question 6. What is the function of dendrites in a neuron? Question 7. Which cell in humans does not have capacity to repair through cell division? Question 8. What are the end products of alcoholic fermentation? You know there are 2 types of fermentation. Here is asking alcoholic fermentation. Question 9. Which structure is formed from the ruptured follicle in females? What is its role? Question 10. Terrestrial animals are generally either ureotelic, uricotelic, but not aminotelic. Why? Question 11. The new pattern, as I said, assertion reasoning. As assertion one statement will be there, as reason another statement will be there. Now you have to find out whether both the statements are true or one of the statements is true. Second, whether reason is giving correct explanation for assertion. This is the task that is assigned. So question number 11, assertion. 2 kingdom classification used for a long time was found inadequate. Correct? Reason. This system did not distinguish between the eukaryotes and prokaryotes. So karyon in Latin is nucleus. Primitive nucleus, prokaryotes. Very clear, distinct, eukaryotes. So unicellular and multicellular organisms and photosynthetic and non-photosynthetic organisms. A. Assertion and reason both are correct, and reason is correct explanation for assertion. B. Assertion and reason both are correct, but reason is not correct explanation for assertion. C. Assertion is correct, but reason is wrong. D. Assertion is wrong, but reason is correct. So you got a choice for this question number 11. 5 kingdom classification includes Monera, Protista, fungi, plantae and animalia. Correct? Reason. They have different cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition and phylogenetic relationships. Correct. So A and R both are correct, and R is correct explanation for A. B. A and R both are correct, but R is not correct explanation for A. C. A is correct, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is correct. Question number 12. A coenzyme or metal ion that is very tightly bound to enzyme protein is called a prosthetic group. Reason: a complete catalytically active enzyme together with its bound prosthetic group is called apoenzyme. Okay. Assertion: A and R both are correct, and R is correct explanation for A. B. A and R both are correct, but R is not correct explanation for A. C. A is correct, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is correct. We move on to question number 13. Assertion: a special membranous structure in a mesosome which is formed by the extensions of plasma membrane into the cell. Reason: in some prokaryotes like cyanobacteria, there are other membranous extensions, chromatophores, present, but mesosome absent. A and R both are correct, and R is correct explanation for A. B. A and R both are correct, but R is not correct explanation for A. C. A is correct, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is correct. Question number 14. Assertion: when pure oxygen given to a patient for a long time, he will die. See, oxygen. Reason: the role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite insignificant. A. Assertion and reason both are correct, and R is correct explanation for A. B. A and R both are correct, but R is not correct explanation for A. C. A is correct, but R is wrong. D. A is wrong, but R is correct statement. Now question number 15. This is again, as I said, new pattern of questioning. CS, that is case study. So about a concept there will be one paragraph, and you have to read carefully that paragraph, analyze the important ones, and then down below you have got 5 questions. Out of the 5 you must answer any 4. So pick up the easy ones that you have understood from the paragraph. That is the right way of answering this question. The paragraph is: plastids are found in all plant cells and in euglenoids. These are easily observed under the microscope as they are large. They bear some specific pigments, thus imparting specific colors to the plants. Plastids consist of numerous membrane layers embedded in a material called stroma. They have their own genome and ribosomes. So basically he is talking about the plastids in the paragraph. Concept is plastids. Now the questions. The dash are colorless plastids of varied shapes and sizes with stored nutrients. A. Leucoplasts, B. Chloroplasts, C. Chromoplasts, and D. Carotenoids. Question 2. The dash store proteins in grains. A. Amyloplast, B. Aleuroplast, C. Elaproplast, D. Carotenoid. Which type of plastid stores carbohydrates in potatoes? A. Amyloplast, B. Aleuroplast, D. Elaproplast, D. Carotenoid. Fourth one. The space limited by inner membrane of the chloroplast is called stroma. Now the inner space, what is it called? A. Matrix, B. Cytoplasm, C. Stroma, D. Lumen. So it is actually called, it should be dash, right? Next, question 5th. Assertion. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll and carotenoid pigments, which are responsible for trapping light energy essential for photosynthesis. Reason. They also impart colors to the parts of the plant as yellow, orange or red color. A. Both assertion reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B. Both assertion reason are true and reason is not correct explanation of assertion. C. A is true but R is false. D. Both A and reason are false. Last question in this section. Question 16, case study question. Human beings have significant ability to maintain and moderate the respiratory rhythm to suit the demands of the body tissues. This is done by the neural system. A specialized center present in the medulla region of the brain is called respiratory rhythm center. It is primarily responsible for this regulation. The disorders of the respiratory system can lead to asthma, emphysema, and occupational respiratory disorders. So basically he's talking about respiratory system and associated disorders. Now there are 5 questions below. You need to answer 4. What are those? Question 1. The respiratory rhythm center is present in the dash region of the brain. Now he is talking about the brain. Relation between nervous system and respiratory system. A. Pons, B. Medulla, C. Cerebellum, D. Cerebrum. Question 2. Dash is a difficulty in breathing that causes wheezing. A. Asthma, B. Emphysema, C. Bronchitis, D. Whooping cough. A chemosensitive area situated adjacent to the rhythm center is highly sensitive to CO2 and dash ions. A. Bicarbonates, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Sodium. 4th. One of the major causes of dash is cigarette smoking. A. Asthma, B. Emphysema, C. Bronchitis, D. Whooping cough. Now 5th one is diagram based questions. The following statements are drawn as conclusions for the image shown. Now you got a brain, pons and medulla. Then the section is there. That's pons, ventral respiratory group VRG, medulla is there, dorsal respiratory group. Then you got PRG, pons line respiratory group, a neuromatrix center. So, and you have got the sign of plus and minus also. So, what are the statements given below? A. A center present in the pons region of the brain is called pneumotaxic center. This one, pneumotaxic center. Can moderate the functions of respiratory rhythm center. Question, statement 2. There are 2 specialized respiratory centers in the brain. 3. Receptors associated with aortic arch and carotid artery can also recognize changes in CO2 and H plus concentration and send necessary signals to the rhythm center for remedial actions. 4th. The role of oxygen in the regulation of respiratory rhythm is quite significant. So these are the 4 statements given. Now you have to choose which is the correct one. From below, alternative. A. Only first statement is true. B. First and third statements are true. C. Second and fourth are true. And of course, the D is first and third are true. First and third statements are true. So this is how you need to train yourself for the questions. Now what you do, take a paper and start answering the questions that we discussed now. And in the next session, I will be giving the answer, compare my answers with the answers that you have written today so that you will understand in which area you are strong and in which area you are